welcome to Monkey Doodle with Mr. L. Today we're going to do sheriff dog or deputy hot dog. Let's go. We're going to make a big bean shape over here. All right. Okay. Let's fix that up a little bit. All right. And now we're going to make a long hot dog type shape here. It's like a long oval. Go down close to the bun and round it out and hit it right there. Okay, we're going to make a little triangle here for the bottom of the hot dog. We're going to make the other side of the bun here a little bit lower than here. Curve out and then right about there, touch the hot dog. All right, looking like a hot dog. Yes. Deputy dog, hot dog is on the way. All right, we're going to give this guy a hat since he's the sheriff, so he's got to look like he has authority. So we're going to make a loopy shape. Okay, right around his head, wrapping around, and like a letter M up here. All right, cool. We're going to give this guy two eyes. Going to keep it simple loops this time. Okay. Simple loops. You know what? Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll give it a little circle right there. Give this guy a nice smile. All right. And now we're going to give him a star. 5-pointed star since he's the sheriff. All right, he's got to take care of all the business of the naughty hot dogs coming into town. I don't know. Who knows what's going on in Monkey Doodle? Silly stuff. All right, I'm going to make two arms here. One arm is going to stick out of the bun here. And it's going to reach up. Okay, make it dark right there. We're going to do like a sort of like looks like a little lowercase e, like that sticks out. So it's really a line. And over here, we're going to do a semicircle. Okay, that sticks out of it and bumps into it. We're going to put a curve that sticks out of it. Okay. And we're going to put a little triangle there. And we're going to swing this thing in like that. So watch this. First we're going to go up there. We're going to make another little rectangle there at the top. Got to go down, hit that, there. And we're going to make another line inside of it. So it's like a funny looking banana. All right. Now, a sheriff deputy dog is holding a silly banana. That's his, I don't know, tool of choice to keep everybody in line and to keep authority over the town, whatever that banana Monkey Doodle universe town is. We're going to make another arm over here. On this side, nice curve. Okay, I'm going to fill that in dark. All right. And I'm going to make an open hand down here. Up, just a bunch of loops. That's all. Keep it simple, right guys? It's sort of like a glove. All right. Now our friend needs to have legs. We're going to put one curving out here. From inside the bun, it comes out. Okay. Fill it in dark. Okay. Good job out there, guys. Good job. We're going to give this guy a boot. Slight curve there. Come down, another short straight line down, come in, Sort of a high heel there. All right. Our friend has a boot. We'll fill that in after. We're going to make one kick up like he's, I don't know, kicking up. All right, come out. Down. All right, connect that. Going to make a boot here too. Heel. Crazy looking boot. And we're going to fill it in black, so don't worry about that. All right. So our deputy dog is almost ready for color. This is a silly looking character. What else can you expect from Monkey Doodle? Silly stuff, right? Hopefully you guys like this. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Putting little highlight areas here and there. Okay. And Babi's going to love this one. Who knows what he's going to come up with. Babi, don't try to become a sheriff. I don't know what he's up to. All right, guys. Let's color this black too. All right, and we're going to get ready to hyperspace color in just a few seconds. All right, I like it. And maybe we'll just put like a little star here and there. It's always cool to put something in the background that makes it look like fun. Different size 5-pointed stars. All right, friends. Deputy Sheriff Dog, let's hyperspace color. Whoosh, go.